Hello guys, welcome to CAD Make. Today we are going to design a composite component flange bracket shaft, using essential features and commands to bring it into a design life. We'll also assign material and customize appearance to give it a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. To increase the sketch resolution more better, go to the Options setting. Click Document Properties. Click on Image Quality, increase the resolutions like this. Click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Now take the Line command and draw one horizontal line, then draw a vertical and again draw a horizontal line like this. Click Exit. Select these two lines. Make them equal. Now select this midpoint, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select the origin point. Click on Coincident. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the length to this line as 58 mm. Click OK. Give the value to this vertical line as 76 mm. Click OK. Sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Select here mid-plane. Give the extrusion value as 74 mm. Give the thickness value as 10 mm, click OK. It looks amazing here we see. Zoom and rotate a little. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Line command and draw a rough sketch on this face like this. Take away the cursor and back to this point again. It will make an arc. Click Exit. Now select this line midpoint, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select the arc quadrant. Make them coincident. Click OK. Click this point. Click Tangent. Also click this point, make it tangent. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the length to this line as 10 mm. Click OK. Give the radius to this arc as 15 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now select this line, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this line. Make them equal, click OK. Our sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Click in here. Choose this surface and this one. Select here through all. Click OK. Rotate a little. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw a 10 mm circle on this center point. Click OK. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select here through all. Click OK. Make it normal. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing now. Again click on this surface, click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw a 60 mm diameter circle here in the origin. Click OK. Take the Line command and draw a horizontal line in the circle like this. Click Exit. Again take the Line command and draw another line in the circle like this. Click Exit. Select this line, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this one. Make them horizontal and equal. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the distance between these lines as 54 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Take Trim Entities command and erase all these extra lines like this. Click OK. Now take the Extruded Boss command. Give the extrusion value as 10 mm, click OK. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the circle command and draw a 42 mm diameter circle here in the origin. Click OK. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Boss command. Give the extrusion value as 30 mm. Click OK. Again click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the circle command and draw a circle of 35 mm diameter here in the origin point. Click OK. Rotate, zoom out. Take the Extruded Boss command. A little zoom out like this. Give the extrusion value as 105 mm, click OK. One more time click on this surface. Click Sketch. Select this edge. Click Convert Entities command. It'll convert it to a circle. Take the line command and draw a line here in this circle like this. Click Exit. Now take Smart Dimension command and give the distance between this line and the origin as 7.5 mm. Click OK. Press Escape. Take the Trim Entities command and erase this circle from here. Click OK. Go to the features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select here Blind. Give the extrusion cut value as 64 mm, click OK. Select this edge. Click Chamfer. Give the chamfer value as 2 mm, click OK. Now select Extruded Thin 1 and cut Extruded 1. Now click on Color Appearance. Select here Green. Click OK. It looks perfect and amazing now, a little bit rotate it like this. Now select Extruded Boss 2, Extruded Boss 3, Extruded Boss 4 and Extruded Cut 3 like this. Again go to the Appearance. Click Metal. Click on Magnesium. Choose the burnished magnesium. Here we see it looks perfect. Now go to the background scene and click on Plain White. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. It's enough for today. Take care. Thanks for watching.